guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have one of my favorite things to do. It is a subscription box unboxing. Every time I say unboxing, I want to say my BoxyCharm unboxing like Kathleen Lights does, but I'm not going to because I'm not Kathleen Lights. Okay, so I already filmed my BoxyCharm unboxing and my Birchbox unboxing, and then these two came. This is Sephora and Allure, and then I also got sent something from Influenster, which is really cool because I got it for free. So, I already have makeup on my face, so I won't be trying on everything. Some of the stuff I do have on my face, and then some of it I can put on, like a lip thing I will put on. But, so, we're going to start with Allure. And when you open the box, it's this pamphlet right here. And it shows you all the products. So when I flipped this over and I saw this, it's a Sunday Riley vitamin C cream, and I was really excited. So let's talk about it. So the first thing in the box is this CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum from Sunday Riley. Okay, it's a vitamin C serum, which it says it's 15%. So I recently changed my skincare and my face is finally clearing up, but I have a lot of acne scars, and apparently vitamin C is supposed to be good for that. And so when I got this, I was amazed, and I actually have it underneath my foundation today, and I feel like it really like hydrates my face, and when it like dries down and like sinks into your skin, it leaves kind of like a tacky feeling. So I feel like it's really good as like a primer. And also, okay, this is a glass bottle, first of all, and it this is 1 fluid ounce, so this is like as much as you would get in like a foundation. Like, this is like a hefty size for like a subscription box, and this is in the Allure box, so I'm really excited about this. It says the price of a full size is $85. I don't know if this is a full size or not. Let me look it up really quick. Okay, can we just take a moment? At Sephora, 1 ounce of this is this is a full size $85 product in this $15 box. And it's Sunday Riley, which is a really, really good skincare brand. I'm like shocked. I'm so excited to like try this out and see if it actually helps my acne scars. And I've been just wanting to like dive into like facial oils and skin serums. So hello. Also, just ignore the fact that you've probably seen this shirt in a video 3 times because I filmed 3 videos today and homegirl doesn't feel like changing my clothes. Okay. So next, I have all of these things. So I have the one and then some dry texturizing spray. It smells like perfume of some sort. It smells very, very familiar. I actually wanted to try some like volumizing texturizing spray, so I'm gonna try that out. And then I have this This Works in Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer in one. And it is sealed, which this seems like a really cool concept. Smells nice, and it feels very, very moisturizing, and it feels like it goes really long. Like, I did one little tiny dot and it like covered my whole hand. Interesting. So I'm excited to try this out. And then next in the box is this Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte Lip Color, and it is in the shade 105 Artist. So I'm just gonna put this on my lips right now. Oh, this is okay. First of all, this smells just like the Stila liquid lipsticks, and I'm pretty sure I have a color that looks exactly like this in Stila, and it feels the exact same. Like, literally, this feels like my Stila liquid lip. Okay, I don't think that really matches my outfit, but It feels really nice. Doesn't feel drying. I'm going to let it completely dry down, and we'll see. Love the shade. Love the smell. Love the feeling. Just like Stila liquid lipsticks. Just saying. Okay. And then the last thing in this box is this Smokey Eye Pin by Radial. And of course it has one of those annoying plastic things that covers the whole thing. So I'm going to try to get this off. Don't you love when these things actually work and they actually come off? So this looks like it is a gel liquid, a gel liner. I'm trying to see if this has, oh, this is in brown. Ooh, that's cool, because I don't think I have any brown eyeliners. Ooh, that's like super creamy. Ooh, I'm excited to try that out. I've been wanting to try brown just because I feel like black sometimes looks way too dramatic. The black looks dramatic. Looks way too dramatic. And so I tend to just opt for no eyeliner at all instead. So I feel like if I have a brown, that'll make me actually use it. So I'm super, super excited to try that out. So that is it for the Allure box. Next we have the Sephora Play Box, and this time I'm not going to show you the front of the box, because last time I did that and then I had to put this awkward white box over top of it to cover my address. Okay, so when you open it, this is what it looks like, and it has this bag in it, and then it also has this little pamphlet in it. And the pamphlet has a Sephora Play card for 50 extra points, and then it has this Happy You Year. It has all the products on it, and then on the back it says A Beautiful 2018, and it has all these monthly challenges, which is really cool. So, and then the bag is super cute. It has this girl with a crown on it that says 2018, and it says Happy You Year. I cannot believe it's already 2018. It feels so weird writing that on papers. Okay, first thing that I see that I already know I love is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. And I do have a bunch of samples of this because I feel like Briogeo is always in subscription boxes. But I have tried this out and it really does work. It really leaves your hair feeling so moisturized. It's amazing. Okay, and then the next thing in here, which I'm so excited about, is this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. So this is a Smashbox primer, just a little sample of it. And I am so excited about this. I've been wanting to try this for so long. So that's pretty cool. And this is like a hydrating primer, I believe. Yeah, so it's supposed to be lightweight instant moisture. And I'm already dropping it. So that's cool. What I did notice is there's no fragrance sample in here. And I'm pretty sure there's always a fragrance sample in the Sephora one. Oh, and I didn't mention the Allure box is $15 a month and the Sephora Play Box is $10 a month. Okay, and then the next thing is this Fresh Rose Floral Toner. It says it's infused with soothing rose water and it hydrates and refreshes. So let me open this up. And it looks like the ingredients are really clean. Like there's not that many. Like there's probably like not even 10 ingredients in it. Why am I struggling so much with this? I just ripped it open because I couldn't get that little flap out of it. Okay, so it's just this like little toner. Assuming it smells like roses. Yep, it smells just like my Mario Badescu rose spray. So I'll be trying that out. And then 3 more things in here. The next thing is this Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. It looks like it's just a little tiny little thing. Ooh, and it has like this like ball on the end. Ooh, I actually really like this, and I like the application on it. So I'm definitely going to try that out. And then the next thing is this. I'm super excited about this too, okay? This is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I've always wanted to try things from Glam Glow, but I never have. And this is a cleanser. It looks like it's gray. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. It smells like mint. It reminds me of my mint julep mask. I'm definitely going to try that out. And then the last thing in the bag is this Anasazi Beverly Hills lip gloss in Kristin. Pretty sure I got this, I don't know if it was this shade or not, in my last Sephora Play Box. Pretty sure. But I loved it, so that's fine. I think this one might be a little darker though, but I'm going to cut this on. Oh, also this liquid lipstick got a lot darker when it dried down. Okay, I'm confused. There's like, I feel like this thing isn't picking up anything. And then it's just like really tough on my lips. It is really pretty though. Super glowy. I love it. Okay. So that is it for Sephora Play. And then the last thing I have, which is super, super exciting, is this Influencer box that I got sent from Influenster, which is a app, and you put in all your social media accounts, and depending on, I don't know what formulation they use, but they send you free stuff. So I got this box, and this is what it looks like, and it's this hairspray, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Elnet Satin Extra Strong Hold Hairspray. It says it disappears at the stroke of a brush. It says the finest hairspray used by the finest stylist, and I did notice when I sprayed it, it's like the finest mist ever. Probably shouldn't spray that on my phone because it's hairspray. And it smells so good. So I figured I would try this out on camera. I like rarely ever curl my hair, but I figured maybe this would be good as like a texturizing kind of thing. So I'm just gonna like spray some of this at my roots and see if I can get some texture. And then it says you're supposed to be able to just brush through it, which I'm finding is very easy to do. And I feel like that actually gave me a lot of volume. I'm definitely going to have to try curling my hair and using this, but so far I think I like it. I just really like was surprised when I sprayed it, and the mist is like so fine. It's kind of weird. I like it though. So I think that is it. So that is it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because like 70% of you that are watching this video right now are not subscribed to my channel. Do it. It's really easy. Just do it. Okay? Okay. Also, if you like how I split up the subscription boxes, in December I did all my subscription boxes all at once, and it ended up being, and I did a try on haul with all of them, ended up being a really, really long video. So first, comment if you like how I split them up into 2 separate videos, and then second, let me know if you like me to try on the products as I go, or if you would rather just have like swatches or what, or if you would like me to try them all on before I even open them so they can already tell you what I think of them. Just let me know. And like this video, I think I already said that. Comment what I told you to comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. You're the best, and bye.